Meta has brought many new updates on Instagram and Facebook in the past few months. Today, we are here to provide you with the informative news that comes straight from the Instagram world. Hello everyone, welcome back to Propel Guru's YouTube channel. Meta has introduced new advert ads on Instagram to help businesses from meaningful connection, ads in search results and reminder ads. Let us tell you for your information that Instagram has recently partnered with brands such as Stars to test new ad formats that help business announce, remind and inform people about future events and launches. With reminder advertisements, all advertisers will be able to build awareness, anticipation and consideration for upcoming events. Instagram will provide convenient reminders for events 1 day before, 15 minutes before and at the event itself. Additionally, Instagram is also testing ads in search results for businesses, products and content to reach people actively seeking those items. If a person taps into a post from search results, ads will appear in the feed. Instagram is planning to launch the placement globally in the upcoming months. Let us see what's more Instagram has in the bucket for all of us in the future. Well, this is all we have for today. We hope we have added some value to your feed. If yes, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any updates from our end. Thank you for watching.